So here I have a Weber charcoal grill, not charcoal grill, but a gas grill. I got done swapping out this thing right here, spark, the igniter. All I had to do was remove this pan down here with 2 screws. All right, and those 2 screws are up underneath here. There's one that goes right here, and the other one's right here. Unscrew it. This panel will come down, and all it's held in right here. It's just held in right here with this thing, right? This comes out. You undo the wires. These wires you pull from the wire side, not the plastic. These plastics are part of the body, so the wire comes out by itself. Let me show you real quick. See, the wire comes out. Now put the connector back in. Hold on, I got one hand here. Okay, now it's back in there. Yeah, pretty simple to do, pretty easy. And then you just line it back up. Get your little securing ring nut thingy. It wasn't sparking at all when I tried it, so negative on this side, so positive goes down on mine. The positive side of the battery goes in there, and then this one has a negative sign right there, top, in parentheses. Right, and you screw this back on. Let me see here. Yep, I can hear it now. So let me turn on the gas. Gas is on. Turn this to on. There we go. That one started. Yep, that one started too. Nice. And I just got done replacing all the divider. The bottom stuff was all rusted out. All these pieces right here, they're all rusted out. So I replaced those and replaced this igniter. If your igniter doesn't work, it's probably this piece right here that takes the battery. Like I said, it's a Weber. My gauge thingy doesn't work. I guess I gotta replace this too, but it's a work in progress, and it's not really too needed. I guess I can just work by the heat that's in here, you know. Don't necessarily need that, but it works. It works. I just replaced this one. It works.